Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make an Instagram account if you already have one. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. Then go to your profile option right here. And then go to the three lines icon. Scroll down and log out. Or you can just again log in to that account and just go here on the upper right corner and then just tap on plus and add an Instagram account, and here you'll be able to see the option of create new account. Just tap on it and then goes your step-by-step option of creating a new account. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.